Hello everyone, and welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. This week we'll be looking at the word emerging. Emerging. How many syllables do you think this word has? If you said 3, you're correct. There are 3 syllables in emerging. E-mer-jing. Emerging. Now, where do you think the stress is in this word? The stress goes on the second syllable, so this syllable is a little bit higher in volume. Emerging, emerging. Now, let's take a look at the meaning. On your screen, there are a few sentences with the word emerging and some of its word forms highlighted in yellow. What you need to do is read the sentences and try to guess the meaning from the context. If you need more time, you can pause the video now. The meaning of the word emerging is to appear and become noticed. Is this what you had for your meaning? If not, go back and try the last exercise one more time. Now that we know the pronunciation and meaning of emerging, let's move on to the part of speech. Once again, you have the same sentences on your screen and the word forms are in yellow. However, instead of focusing on the meaning, now try to identify the part of speech. Be careful. Some of these highlighted words might have the same part of speech. So, if you need more time, you can pause the video now. As you can see, the verb form is emerge, and the adjective form is emerging or emergent. There are 2 different forms. Is this what you had? If not, go back and see how these answers might fit into the exercise before. Okay, great. Now we know the pronunciation, meaning, and part of speech of emerging. So now it's time for you to start practicing on your own. You can begin with the question on your screen. How do you think people emerge as celebrities? You can post your answer to our social media pages, and we look forward to seeing you next week for our next academic word.